Alright everyone, today we want to show you how to make the spectacular Crepe Suzette. Because Crepe Suzette is a dish which is cooking in a burst of flames. Of course, please be especially careful handling this dish. We begin with 200 grams of flour, to which we add 2 eggs. Then we pour 300 milliliters of milk in our bowl while we stir our flour with the hand whisk. We also add a pinch of sugar to our crepe dough. Now we melt a piece of butter in our pan and also add 1 ladle of our crepe dough. After frying the crepe for around 2 minutes, turn them around and fry them from the other side for 1 or 2 minutes. Keep all your prepared crepe on the plate for the next step. For this, we need 2 oranges. We separate the top and the bottom of the orange and then cut off the remaining skin as we show you. Now you can cut out the orange fillets. Please be careful while doing that. Cut left and right of every fillet to separate them and press out the remaining juice out of the part you have left. We also add a small amount of orange liqueur to our orange fillets, called Marnier. Now the magic happens. We take our pan and melt again a piece of butter in it. We also add a pinch of brown sugar to our pan and fry this for 1 minute and add some of the orange juice to it. Then we fold 2 of our crepes and put them in the hot liquid. Fry the crepes in the sauce until they are soaked with it. Then we take a ladle with a small amount of warm orange liqueur like Marnier or Cointreau. We hold the flame on our alcohol and carefully pour the burning liquid in our pan. Now shake your crepe in the small burst of flames in your pan. Add some of the orange fillets to make them warm. The last step is to sprinkle some roasted almonds over your crepe. You can serve it now. A special tip is go with vanilla ice cream as a good companion for this classic dessert. Thanks for watching. We hope you like our new recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. You really support our work by doing that. Have fun trying this recipe yourself. Over and out.